Welcome back, dear viewers. And today lecture. This is a short video, but it has a lot of influence, and it is very important for every civil engineer as well as for every person who is directly or indirectly related to building structure. Today I am going to discuss you 10 basic component of a building structure. Actually, building, there are many components of building, but these 10 are the basic component. Are the basic component. Basic means without any one of any one of these 10 component. If we skip, we remove one of this component, so the building will be totally incomplete and it will affect our life directly. So what are the basic component of the building? From the base, the first one is foundation. Foundation is invisible and lies between the ground, just beneath the wall. Foundation means that, let's suppose this is the wall and this is the foundation. This is the trench, this is the ground level. So after this, after ground level, this area is called foundation. So foundation is necessary to evenly distribute the entire building load on the soil in such a manner that no damaging or settlement take place. Hence the foundation need to be constructed on good and good soil ground. Means the foundation must to be constructed on hard strata and good soil ground. So this is foundation. This is the first one, basic component. The second one is the plinth of the building. So plinth lies between the floor and ground. Plinth lies between the floor and ground. This is the ground level and this one is the finish floor level. So the area between this finish level, floor level and ground level is called plinth. A plinth is for normally constructed just about the ground level and immediately after the foundation. Immediately after the foundation, that is called plinth. It rises the floor above the ground level and herewith prevent the surface water from entering the building. Mean by the plinth level, the underground water doesn't penetrate into the building. The third one is DPC. So DPC lies at the floor level. This is called floor level, right below the wall, not under any opening like door. Means we cannot spread DPC, we cannot provide DPC under any opening or doors. So DPC means damp proof course. DPC damp proof course is a layer of water providing or proofing material such as asphalt. Means we can use the asphalt sheet as a DPC. DPC main purpose is to prevent the dampness in the upper portion of a building. Or waterproofing cement wall are constructed about the damp proof course. Damp proof course prevent surface water from rising into the wall. Dampness reduce the strength of wall. Dampness, if we cannot provide this DPC in the building, so the water or the dampness penetrate in these walls, and the dampness will affect or damage the plaster, the brick masonry, the roofs, the windows, and everything. So damp proofing layer is not required where a plinth beam is constructed, because the plinth beam already perform like a DPC. So if we provide a plinth beam in a building for strengthen the life and strengthen the foundation of the structure, so there is no need to provide a DPC. So the plinth beam also work as a DPC. The fourth one is plinth beam. Plinth beam A plinth beam is constructed depending upon the type of a structure of the building and nature of a soil. It provides additional stability is regard. So the fifth one is floor. This is called floor. So the purpose of floor is the surface on which we do most of our activities, like carpeting, like we can sit easily in chairs or on ground surface. Most our activities flooring is laid over the filling of the plinth and on subsequent floor. Floor can be done with different material, but care must be given that the ground below the floor is well compacted. It means that the floor area, this is the floor area, must be compacted by a compactor machine to avoid settlement in the building. So the sixth one is wall. Wall are the vertical elements. On which the roof finally rests. Means if these walls are not available, so we cannot support the roof or slab. They can be made of different material like bricks masonry, like stone masonry, like concrete blocks or blocks. If the wall are very long, column can be provided to carry the roof. If the length of the walls are more or lengthen, so we can provide some columns at an equal center to center distance. By providing equal center to center distance, the doors mean the opening are normally provided in wall or doors. Opening are normally provided in wall for entrance, for ventilation. Opening, for the purpose of opening, we can use these windows. This is also called opening. This is also called opening. Lintel are constructed. The ninth number is the lintel. Lintel are constructed just above the opening. Just lintel are constructed. This is called lintel. This is called lintel. So lintel is constructed just above the opening. It is normally a stone slab or a concrete slab. So now what is called sill? So sill is a part of the wall that is just below the window. That is just below the window, which is also called, we can measure the level from, we can measure, we can take in our accounts the sill level also. So this is called roof. In roof provides protection of a building. Roof provides protection of a building and the people living in it. The roof rests on the wall and requires proper so that the wind and other mechanical impact cannot destroy it. A roof can be different shape. It is a flat roof, it is either a sloping roof. So this one is sloping roof. Roof is typically made of RCC, stone slab and tiles. So these are called the 10 component, basic component of building. Two components are also major components. One is called stair and the 12th one is called surface or finishing. So what is stair? So in my last lecture I provide the design that how to build or how to design stair. So a stair is a sequence of steps and it is provided to afford the mean of ascent and descent between the floor and the landing. So the 12th one is finishing. So finishing, external finishing or the outermost layer of the protection which protect the surface from weather effect or weathering. Internal finishing or the layer given to the internal face, they give durability and pleasing appearance of the inside. So the outer side, we can normally, the finishing material used for outer side is normally weather shield, and for internal surface we can use distemper. So this is my today lecture. If you like this lecture, so kindly share, subscribe and press the bell icon for receiving more informative videos. Thank you.